In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then click on Vibration at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, and click on Vibration section under Sim 1 and Sim 2 to adjust your vibration pattern perfectly by hitting one of those options or selecting None at the bottom. When you finished, go back. Now tap on Notification Tone and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, hit More Settings at the bottom, and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. And last but not least, on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!